Hi everyone. A 60-year-old woman came to me who was recently diagnosed with carcinoma cervix and was undergoing treatment for the same. But she was more concerned about her loving granddaughter who was just 8 years old, and she asked me what steps can her granddaughter take to prevent herself from this dreadful disease. I am Dr. Shivani Garg, MD Gynae from PGI Chandigarh, and I am going to answer this question in this video because I think it is relevant for everyone. This cancer, that is carcinoma cervix, is preventable and can be prevented with the help of vaccines, which can be given as early as 9 years of age to young girls and can be given up till the age of 26 years. But it is more efficacious if it is given between the age of 9 to 15 years. That is because we want to act before the start of sexual activity, because this virus, this carcinoma, is caused by a virus called as human papilloma virus, which is sexually transmitted. So we want to act before the sexual activity starts, and that is why we want to vaccinate the girls between the age of 9 to 15 years. Coming on to the vaccines which are available in India. At present, there are two vaccines which are licensed in India, that is Cervarix and Gardasil. Cervarix vaccine is effective against 2 strains of HPV virus and Gardasil is effective against 4 strains of HPV virus. Both these vaccines are equally efficacious to the tune of as close as 100% and are effective for as long as 10 to 11 years against this virus. Coming on to the dosing schedule, you can find the same in the description box below. And as far as the side effects are concerned, these vaccines are very safe and cause only mild symptoms like redness or sourness at the site of injection, and very mild side effects like headache and weakness in few cases. In very rare cases, it can cause allergic reactions also. Now, what if you've missed the bus and you've not got yourself vaccinated up till the age of 26 years? What should you do in this case? To find out the answer to this question, to how to prevent yourself from this deadly disease after the age of 26 years, in case you have not vaccinated yourself, please stay tuned. You can find the answer to this question in the next video. Thank you so much. I would request everyone to share this video amongst your near and dear ones so that this message reaches to everyone and more adolescent girls, young girls can come forward to vaccinate themselves against this virus and can save themselves from this deadly disease. Thank you very much.